Hey, Tom here from Tom's Tumble Trimmer and the Python series. I just want to show you the full package of new equipment for 2021. We have a deleafer that takes your fan leaves and your water leaves out as it flows up and drops into the gravity feed of the Python. Then the Python gently trims your flowers without the water leaves mixed in, so you have pure trim, and then your flowers come out here and go onto the takeaway conveyor and then into a super sack. And then take all of your biomass and you can put it into the biomass refinement system. And that will separate all of your good biomass or your good trim from your bad trim and the sticks and stems. And it will also separate your keef from the bad biomass, and it will also put out a quality of trim that is a little bit smaller than pre-roll size. So take a look, go to tomstumbletrimmer.com and check out all of our new equipment for 2021.